Okay, y'all. Bath and Body Works. It was so packed in that store. Oh my goodness. It was super packed. I'm trying to adjust it where it kind of look halfway decent. Recording with my phone. But yes, I got my stuff, which I really didn't have to get this stuff, but I just got it because two items I got because they were 75% off, which is the men's cologne. I guess it's not. I said in my live that it was probably a glitch, but I guess it's not, because this was 75% off in the store as well. And I grabbed two. This smells so good. And I actually grabbed it in the body spray as well. And then they also had the sage and bergamot spray. They did not have the cologne. So I grabbed this stuff. And then I did order it online as well. And then I grabbed another wrapped in vanilla, which I really didn't have to buy this. So I ended up buying it anyway. And then I just got 3 wallflowers of the new scents that's just recently was released, which is the laundry room lemon. Laundry room lemon. The scent, radio, sorry y'all. The scent notes is lemon, fresh air, and lemongrass. You know what? I think I'm gonna really like this. Because I love the way lemongrass smells. Y'all can't even see it, but anyway. So I got a feeling I'm gonna really like this one because I love lemongrass. I really like lemongrass. And then the next one I got is vanilla, nor, and a lavender. This one, vanilla, nor, and lavender. Scent notes is ice lavender, sweet vanilla, and ebony woods. I think this is gonna be nice. I think this one is gonna be nice as well. Y'all can't even see the scent note. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna do this one again because I did it wrong. Okay, the scent notes on this one. I guess this one is kind of hard to do because of the color. Anyway, and then the last one I got is suede musk. I think gonna be super duper nice. The scent notes is amber, musk, pink peppercorn, bergamot. Yes, y'all. I'm so excited for these. So that's everything I got from Bath and Body Works. And I started to use my coupon, but I just felt like this stuff wasn't worth my coupon. I'm just saying. So I think all this stuff came up to like $40, $45, something like that. So it was a really good deal. The next thing, I just came out of Aldi and I got, y'all know I had been looking for this little handheld vacuum. I don't even think this is the one, but I need a little vacuum for my car. So I decided to go ahead and get this. This was $25. Hopefully it works really good. So I did grab this. Also, when I was in there, they had some stuff marked down, which I was super surprised because at this store, they don't usually mark down stuff too fast at all. Everything be still the same price. So I was shocked to see this. I don't even know if I could get it. It's so heavy. This cast iron skillet. I decided to go ahead and grab this. The regular price was like 20 something, I think, and they had it on clearance for $12.50. I said this is a must. I had to grab it. It was such a good deal for cast iron. Such a good deal. And they only had like 2, and they had the oval size ones as well, or the oval shaped ones. They did have that one, but that one was a little bit more. That one was like $18. But if it was marked to $12, I most definitely would have grabbed it, because this that's a good price for this. So if you at Aldi's and you like to get really good deals on like kitchenware, check your Aldi. They might be marked down, or they might be cheaper, because like I said, this store hardly ever marks stuff down. So I was shocked. So I did grab that as well. So then after that, I went to TJ Maxx. I don't even know if y'all remember, or even if I told y'all. I know I told y'all I was looking for something at TJ Maxx like months ago. So it's probably, I probably forgot or whatever. But I finally found it. So I decided to grab two. I'm not for sure if I'm gonna keep both, but I sure was happy that I finally found them. I feel like they should do a little bit better with the packaging. I finally found the Van Cleef dupe necklace. Yes, y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. Finally found it. Yeah, if y'all don't know, Van Cleef is a luxury jewelry brand. A necklace like this probably costs about $8,000 and up. So to find this for, I think this was like $20, even though I seen people getting them for a little bit cheaper price. People been finding these for like $13, but I think now that they're so popular now, they raised the price up on them. So I did grab that, or it could just be this area. I don't know. I'm just saying it's the bougie area. So it could just be that. Who knows? So I grabbed that one. I really want this in white or either black. And she told me to just keep coming back because they get them all the time. It's just, they sell out so fast. So I'm still on the hunt for a white one or a black one. And then, okay, and then they had this. Wait a minute. Here we go. That's what this one looked like. So that's what this one looked like. This is nice, but I see it has a flaw in it. And I don't know if it actually comes like this. Where is it at? Wait a minute. Let me see. It has a little flaw, like the chain was broke or something. Like right here. Like right there, it has like a, I don't know if y'all can see that, but right there, they put another loop in it, like the chain was probably broke, because this is the class. The class is like right here. So why would that big loop be right there? And this one was $29. So I might return this one. It's cute, but this ain't really the style I want. I think this will be really nice with a little dress or whatever. Hopefully y'all could see that. It's like little rhinestones in it as well. Got a little bling, blang, blang, chicken wing. So yeah, so I found these at TJ Maxx. Normally they'd be a little bit cheaper, but like I said, because everybody is buying them now, they're a little bit more expensive. So hopefully I can find them somewhere else a little bit cheaper. Who knows? So that's basically everything I got. I mean, all the shopping that I did. Now for the head on home because it's starting to snow again. So yeah. Don't forget to let me know what did you get on the first day of semi-annual. Leave that down in the comments. Did you find any of the treasure finds? Did you find any of those items? Did you find any of the 75% off men's fragrance? Did you find any of that? Leave that down in the comments. This actually smells really, really good. It smells good, y'all, because I could literally still smell it. I'm super shocked that this was on sale, so I don't know what's up with that. That's what the bottle looked like. As y'all do know, these things be tight on here. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. This is really nice. Yes. So I'm happy I was able to find this inside the store, even though I did order two online. with the other stuff, so I'm happy. Like I said, leave in the comments, let me know, did you find any of this men's fragrance on 75%? This was like the only stuff. This, and they had a couple of other items on 75%, but I didn't really get that stuff because I didn't need it. So yeah, leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick on Instagram, of course. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.